Happy Beauty Tip Tuesday, Bella Bibs. Today I'm going to feature our Perfect and Correct Finishing Powder. I'm going to use this on my full face, but I'm also going to use it to correct under my eyes and some redness on my chin. I'll also attach a diagram so you guys can see exactly how to use it. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you guys found that helpful. Drop your questions here if you have any. And again, it's such a great product for correcting discoloration on the face, whether it's under the eyes, any acne that's going on around the nose, any area. And then again, a great perfecting powder as well. Have a great day.